Hello everyone. In our session this day, we're going to solve another geotechnical engineering board exam problem, and this is actually our series number 18. Let us now start solving a problem. Our given civil engineering board problem in this session was actually already given during the April 2024 civil engineering licensure examination under the category of hydraulics and geotechnical engineering under the subject of geotechnical engineering. The total weight of soil when fully saturated is 1,600 grams and the weight of the soil after drying is 1,000 grams. If the specific gravity of the soil grain is 2.67, evaluate the moisture content in percent. B. Determine the void ratio. And lastly, we have to evaluate the porosity. Let us now start solving this given word problem. And to start with, we have to evaluate first the value of the moisture content. When determining the value of the moisture content, this is actually the best formula that is suited into this situation. Why? Because we already have the given for the dry weight and the moisture weight, which only means that we can actually calculate for the moisture content if this is the formula that we will use. Doing the direct substitution, we will have now our computation as 1000 equals 1600 over 1 plus moisture content. Remember that the moist weight is 1600 grams and the dry weight is 1000 grams as given in our problem. Now let's calculate using our calculator. Finally, the value of our moisture content is 0.60 or 60%. Let us now proceed to the next question. For the next item that we have to evaluate is the void ratio. And the best formula that we have to use, or the best formula that is suited to this situation, is S equals to GS times W all over E. In this given problem, since the soil is fully saturated, the value of our S will be 100%. And it was also mentioned in this given problem the specific gravity amounting to 2.67, and we have already calculated for the value of the moisture content, which is equal to 60% or 0.60. As we can see in our given formula, what is only missing is the value of E, which is actually our void ratio, meaning we can use this formula to solve for the void ratio. Calculating for the value of our void ratio, we have now our equation as 100 equals 2.67 times 60 all over E. Finally, we now have the value of our void ratio, which is equal to 1.60. Finally, we can now calculate for the value of our porosity N. Let us now start solving the problem. And this is actually the best formula that we have to use. And our formula for the value of the porosity N is equal to E over 1 plus E. Take note, E is our void ratio. Since we already have the value for void ratio, which is equal to 1.60, our equation now will become N equals to 1.60 over 1 plus 1.60. Finally, the value of our porosity is equal to 0.6154 or 61.54%. Now, let us have a summary of our results in this given situation. Moisture content 0.60, the void ratio is 1.60, and the porosity is equal to 61.54%. Thank you very much and God bless us all.